I'm in dispute with a care home. I lost my wife in November.
I'm sorry.
She'd had cancer for 8 years. The problems were I wasn't happy with her care, and as I say, she died in November. By the time I got the insurance and the cremation sorted, that was into December. I rang the care home in January to ask for her personal belongings, which was her clothes, her photographs, photo frames and that, only to be told that they'd been disposed of. And when I asked why I wasn't informed of them, they said to try to ring us. And when I checked all my phone records going back to November, there'd been no attempt to get in touch with me. Now, I've been in touch via email since January the 16th with the area manager of the care home group, who admitted they shouldn't have done it, but says somebody did try to get in touch with us. And I've since been waiting 3 months for her to get back when I said, could you please prove that with your phone records to say that you tried to ring us?
Michael, only because of time, I'm going to ask you to move to your question.
Where do I stand with it? It's not a great value of money. I'm not after that. But
you probably want an apology more than anything else, I'd imagine.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So here's the legal position. This is remarkably similar to the question that I got asked a moment ago by Thomas about the lost ring. The care home, subject to one point I'll come to in a moment, the care home should not have got rid of your wife's items and memorabilia. They should have been given to you as the next of kin.
Well, they were mine as well.
The what, sorry?
They were mine as well, because there were photos.
They were yours as well. Okay, so they shouldn't have been gotten rid of by the care home. There is one caveat, which is that it's possible that the contract with the care home said any items not collected within a certain period can be disposed of. I don't know. You'd need to look at the contract. But I'm assuming that's not the case, because if it was the case, the manager would have said that to you.
Yeah.
So let's work on the basis they shouldn't have got rid of them. What happens next? Well, I'm afraid that the maximum compensation you can get from a court is the value of those items, the clothes, the photos, as second-hand goods. Courts will not award anything for the sentimental value, which is harsh, and a lot of people think that's unfair, but that's what the law says. In terms of an apology, Michael, courts cannot order the care home to offer an apology. I'll tell you who might be able to convince them to offer an apology. Their communications team, their PR people, if you approach the local newspaper to tell them this story.
Yeah, well, in the emails to the area manager, I actually said I was going to pass me complaints on to the local authority who part-funded our care, plus CQC.
Yeah, I'm not sure the CQC is the right body to complain to. That's to do with the quality of care rather than disposing of goods after death.
I'm in dispute with that care quality as well.
I understand. Michael, I wish I could help you more, but I'm afraid from a legal perspective, as opposed to a moral perspective, where you should be getting a fortune out of this care home, from a legal perspective, your options are relatively limited, I'm afraid.
I'm not after the money, it's just some recognition of what they did.
I know. Well, do you know what? A lot of people, over 100,000 people have just heard you talking about this care home, and they're with you and they understand.
And do you know what the funny thing is about it all? During the COVID period, my wife actually worked in that care home as a carer.
Oh, that's quite ironic and quite sad.
Yeah, it is.
All right, Michael, be well, my friend.